Or tintambrano ka. Deswa banana karapua o makan misa kage banana karapua important o. So mi pla kisin desa banana karapua na mi pla working desa banana. Pes mi pla kisin mi kam lausim sigim brongem now by igron slice. So slice na by you pa hadon pa nimno stua. So boss you know what slice you can look him also pira. Pira deswa kain also but you can kisin na you can feed him or suppose no god kisin knife na you put in na you slice him easy na po size brongem. Or suppose no god kisin kain something also maybe got on store. Okay, you kisin na you slice him, you put in na you slice him, na you must come up also despla. Or no god, slice true and despla. So you find in store or some wrong again or some kind supermarket, you look in despla kind M now. You kiss him, okay, but you slice him. So slicing by come down. So slice up by come up also despla. Na I'm good for true, na I'm good for thick this also I'm good for pop or come up good. So I'm go from me come also. I'm from cooking. So from this finish and now I'm come up also this finish and time from you go on dry now. And should I say so you slice in the bike and down also. So and now me slicing and me can down. So and by can down I come up also this and dig yeah. So now I'm come up. So that's why I'm by going banana chips. You know banana pop, banana chips. So banana oil, last skin finish, last in finish. And sampla ron and me putting finish on dry. So dry I minus and sampla banana I got susu blowing, I got water blowing. So you put me go down on cooking oil, by new na kamagut try pas na bagarap na imno you right. So put it on why I was on dry. So I'm dry now over a water blowing must dry. So dry finish. Okay, now you kissing this with dry on him. And now you put me going down one platter now from wire now you put him on cooking oil. So you go down cooking oil and now by cook. Now suppose you got what I wanted you cook him and by doing a kamagut plan. So also now over time must dry him faster. So wash on dust. Time brown dry or banana, time brown rain may different, time brown sun may different. Depend on time may dry. Time you hold him, now you put him also in wara. So you can ride him. Now stop going up and dry. Now suppose time brown sun by hurry up and dry, okay. You hurry up and walk him. Now suppose me got wait, okay, you can ride him. You can sample a minute or hour something, you go past him, okay. Dry, okay, you walk me. So number something you capture oil. So 2 liter or 1 liter depend on suspension from you. So you put must come namel through. You know can you go on top, you know can you go down. You must put in namel. So namel you right when you put in banana go down, time and boil. So I can come on top, you can up on mark. Or down below too. And by you put in by minute by cook good now by bagara. Suppose you put in plenty, and by boil come on the floor, they come now oil by capsize. So time in cook finish, and by you by time. So this I mean, you know yet, and cook nukra. By you can buy kara, by senis. Now by you press him ocean, now you peel him ocean. When you fire up, and you start finish and cook. Now I mean no fire up, and you look what I mean no yet. So you are in start in up on some per minute. I'm come up this one now, I'm dry now, I'm ready. So ready now, why you kissing one this up plastic boy also buy him now, put up him kambang or peanut, there's a plastic you buy him. Okay, by you kissing peanut, awan banana. Okay, you buy plum up in motion. You plum up in go in up a mark. 50 grains or 1 kind grain you writing. So you are scared to say, no matter where you can look sour or size how much you writing. Okay, but you come up with trees and now put 12 trees and now by you see him. Or see him and you kiss him for him, exo bread. Always I cut him wire or iron. You kiss him on carpenter. So I am now time wrong you are walking. So number one Saturday you kiss him kendo, you writing kendo writing stuff. Okay, you kissing this extra bread now by cooking. So you writing kendo. So I'm right now. Okay, I'm time to see him now. So I'm looking him and he's very good now. Okay, now put the knife from here. So put him awesome. Put him sleeping awesome. And now you sleep on tumble around follow. Okay, you up him knife. So cut him awesome and finish. And now look him. Half long him. You put him go half long awesome and finish now. And you know it pass good through. And now I'm still time to start him. Saan mo kay you get story me stuff, you stand on market or stand on one half, the happy stuff, you can put him stuff. Then you can hold it over time now, but you can start it.